I have made this simple button panel just for testing so you can see the concept. First, make a function for saving data. It needs two arguments: the path to where the data gonna be saved and the data it gonna save. In the function, start by making a variable named file and set it to file.new. Then write file.openPath, file.write. And always remember to do file.close at the end. And in between open and close, do file.store var and the data you want to store. That was it for the save function. Now make a load function that gonna have only the path argument, and start it like the save function with a file variable. But now you also needs to make an empty variable where we can put the content from the file. And now open the file with the path argument, but this time use file.read. And again, file.close. Now set the content variable to file.getVar. Then, return the variable content. Now are you done with the functions? You can use them where you want to save and load data. In the path argument is it simplest to do user:// name on file, .dat, or .txt. Every Godot project has a user directory where the data gonna be stored. To find your user directory, click on Project and open Project Data folder. Here am I testing it, and it makes a file that you can load. So, it is working. Thank you for watching. I don't have anything else to say, then subscribe.